Hi guys, do you know that Python is a case-sensitive programming language? Why it is so? Because it differentiates between uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so how do you know that Python is a case-sensitive? The first example I can give you is this one. Write this function print the first name in caps P. Okay, and then use the parenthesis. Okay, and then click on this execute button. You see here, print is not defined. So you need to write it in small p, okay, because it is case sensitive. Okay, this is the one example. Another example is this, that if you are using var name as like this, then you have to use this everywhere. You cannot use letter period and go using this one. Okay, so if you are using caps, then use caps. Okay, if you are using small letter, then use it in small letter. If you want to ignore these caps and small letter in variable cases, then you can use this function upper or lower. Okay, so in this way it just converts the variable to all letters to either to upper or either to lower. In that case, you won't get this issue. But if you are using something like this, say V is caps and then A is small and R is small, then you have to continue using this. Otherwise, it will give you error. Means if you go on and use like this VAR, then it will give you error. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that Python is a case sensitive language. And why it is case sensitive language? Because it differentiates between upper case and lower case. Okay, so if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I will try to give you answer. Thank you for watching. Okay, thanks.